Hey guys, so summer is approaching and I wanted to do a glowy summer makeup routine, something where I still look done up but it's not heavy, it's not sheer, but I still look done up, it's glowy, and I look sun-kissed a little bit and I look like I'm a goddess or something. So that's what I decided to do. I'm just staring at myself, I'm so mesmerized. So I decided to do a summer glowy makeup routine. If you're interested in seeing what I did, the products I used, by the way, the products I used are very inexpensive, so you do want to keep watching because you will find out some inexpensive products that you can incorporate into your makeup routine for this summer as well. So keep watching, but we're gonna get into it because if I stare at myself any longer, I might just be here all day. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I post a video. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with a flower name, same at name on all social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Make sure you follow me on all platforms, and we're gonna get into it right now.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you.
Okay, so I'm about to do my makeup because summertime is approaching and I want a glowy makeup routine. Like, I want to glow. I'm about to master a glowy routine because this weather is so bipolar, because yesterday it was 96 degrees and today it is like 60, I don't know, like 60 something degrees, and it's rainy and it's cool, and it was literally so hot yesterday. That gave me a taste of summer, so now I know what I want my makeup to be like, because I still want to wear makeup, but I just don't want to be, I don't want to be burning up, and I don't want nothing heavy, but I still want to look cute, you know. Let me put my brow pencil on. I mean my brow gel. This is from Dollar Tree, the Ultra Hold Brow Glue. Okay, so to glow, I want to use my e.l.f. Halo Glow. It is in Deep Rich, and then I want to use my BB Fresh Cream in Deep Sheer Tint. So I'm going to use both. I'm going to mix them. I got these bronzer drops from Dollar Tree, and I have been wanting to use them. So I feel like, why not? It's supposed to be like a drunk elephant, I think. But let's see. Let us see. Ooh. We're about to see what this is hitting for. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna need this after that, but I'm still gonna keep this. Now I'm gonna go in with my BB cream. This is in 140 Deep Sheer Tint. Perfect. I like this. For this to be from Dollar Tree, I like this. I like this, and I like this too. Very light. You see how I'm glowing, but it's still light. Yeah, I like this. This is tea. This combination together, tea. like it. Now, what is this? This is in Fawn LA Girl Pro Conceal. I do think I want to use this. It's like this coral color. This is the Camo Liquid Blush in Pinky Promise by e.l.f. Gonna put this setting spray, Kiss. While that dries, I am gonna do an eye look. I am gonna do me some eyeshadow. One thing about it is I do my makeup looks off the top of my head most of the time. I have to go back in and darken my pink. Okay, that's a little better, yeah. I like that. Okay. Yeah, there we go. My damn edges, they never stay down. Okay. Okay, that is that. I do want another concealer. Okay, let me use this NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. There's always that one eyebrow that I seem to get concealer in. I'm looking at a mirror over here. If you guys ever see me looking to the side, that's why. I have mirrors everywhere. I gotta see how it looks. Okay, that looks flawless. You see that? Flawless. See the blue blush? Flawless. Alright, now when it comes to powder, is by Maybelline. The powders are from NYX, not Maybelline. Something is always falling. Since I want this to be a glowy makeup look, I'm not going to do too much powder. I think it fall right near you and it fell freaking 100 yards from you. Like, my God. Oh, y'all see all that powder? Powder be so dusty. Now I'm going to use the yellow shade. I lightly take powder and go over my forehead because I don't want, because one thing about it, I have oily skin and my skin is definitely gonna get oily, so I try to control the oils as much as I can and not do a lot. You feel me? This powder is freaking a mess. Alright, so I have two pencils from the beauty supply store. One is the NK Auto Lip Liner and one is the Ruby Kisses Intense Lip Liner, but they're both in pink. And I'm about to decide which one I want to put on my face. That's this one. See the little line? This is the NK one. You can barely see it, but this is the... Yeah, I think I want to use this one. I'm about to take a Q-tip and some micellar water. Oh, in my line. The reason I'm doing that is to get any concealer and stuff out my eye. There was a time, this is cute. There was a time when I wouldn't dare do my liner without flinching and watering. I mean, I still water, but I got so much better. Now let's do these lips. My infamous e.l.f. Let me see if I could. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, this is cute. Oh, I'm glowing. Do y'all see this glow? This is cute and it's lightweight. This is glowy for real. So I found my summer routine. You guys want to know something? I have the Lumi Glotion and I need to start using this, but this is going to be perfect. It's not too heavy, not too thin. It's just perfect. This and this. And then bronzing drops. So this and this is what I use today. Yeah, this is the truth, from Dollar Tree, and this is from Maybelline, from like Walmart, top tier. And then I might start incorporating this, but yeah, this is definitely what I'm gonna be grabbing for this summer. And I'm getting fucking makeup all in my edges. Yes, this is the look. This is what I'm working with. My room's a mess as usual. This is what I'm working with. But yeah, so that's all. This is my glowy summer makeup routine. I know exactly what I'll be doing this summer. So yeah, bye.